Hey traders, Joe Wright here from MaximumLots.com, and this is the weekly supply and demand Forex outlook for the week beginning 17th of April 2016. So we've got Aussie CAD on the daily here. We were looking at this one last week as well. As I mentioned, that price was steaming downwards towards this demand level. As you can see, price instead rallied back up, and we're now back at a little supply level here. So this one's still on the radar. It could fall from here, or it could rally and break through. So I'm still watching to see what happens on this Aussie CAD pair. Okay, moving on, let's look at EA. So we've got Euro Aussie here, and we've got this demand level down here. You can just about see that blue line, and we've had a touch there. In fact, if we scrolled across, we had a rally base. Price came back for a level test before rallying strong, so this showed that there was quite a lot of demand there. Price came back and barely pierced into the zone and rallied strong, and price is heading back now. We've got red candles only at the moment, which is a good sign for profit potential. So we'll see how price continues to fall down to this level, and we'll see what reaction we get, if any. Okay, let's stick with the euros and move on to EG. Okay, so we've got EG here, and as you can see, price has just engulfed this this base here. I'll just put that on. So price has engulfed that base, tried to get higher, and it looks like it's failed so far. And the next decent demand on the daily is all the way down here. It looks like we've got a bit of compression as well on the way up, so price may have an easy time going back down through. So we've got that demand level that was tested. We have some resistance or supply that turned into demand around there. And we've got this that's already been tested as well. So yeah, so this is compression all the way up. We have levels created and tested, created, tested all the way up. This one's just failed. So what that could mean is that when price gets to these levels, it could have a simple time falling through. That's one thing that could happen. So I'll be watching EJ this week. Okay, let's move on. Sticking with the euros again, let's look at EJ. Okay, so this has been falling nicely. Let's have a look down here. Okay, so we have a bit of demand down there still. That's a good 200 odd pips away. Now if I just scroll across to where that is, this is one that we looked at a while ago. There it is. So we've been falling down through here, haven't got to this base yet. We are a good few pips away, as I just looked at. Yeah, 250 pips away. So we could easily slide through here, maybe. So yeah, price doesn't look like it's heading higher. It did reverse from down here. Found some supply up here, came back down, so it looks like it's going to continue. So we could short on the way down until we get to demand and see what happens at the demand level to see if we can get a reversal to go back long again. But in any case, we're looking for shorts first. Okay, let's move on. Let's have a look at other opportunity. Dollar CAD. So we've dropped down into this demand level here that I mentioned a few weeks ago. Red candles only coming in. Price has had a little bit of a bounce. Had trouble getting past this area here though. You can see a few wicks to the upside. So we may see price turn and break down through this level. It may of course, give us PA to get us long. But at the moment I am waiting to see what happens to see whether I get in a long or a short. But to me it's looking like a short at the moment. So we'll see what happens on that one. And last but not least, dollar yen. So this has dropped down into demand as well. This demand that I was talking about. Red candles only coming in. Price has made a move up already. We do have a retrace, or maybe it's a reversal. We'll see. But below that, we do have room to fall as well. So as with the other one just mentioned, we could have longs or shorts on this one. Just need to monitor PA on the lower time frames. These are the main levels that I'm watching on the daily chart. So until next time, happy trading, guys.